Hi, good day, Ma'am Elsie. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, good day. I am Melvin Vidordo. I am 35 years old, a college graduate. I have two kids, uh, 9 years old and 11 years old. I have ex abroad Hong Kong experience already, and my current job from now is a teacher aide in a school.
All right, thank you. And then, what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am single.
Okay. And then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have three brothers and two sisters. I
All
am fifth in the family.
okay. And then, where do you live?
I live in Cuyape, Patnongan, Antique, Philippines.
Okay. And then, how would you describe yourself?
Uh, I can say that I work hard. I put my heart in to do my to do my work. I am trustworthy. I can basically I can work without supervision.
All right. And then, may I know your reason why you want to apply again in abroad?
I want to apply to work abroad again uh because for my daughters.
Uh,
I send them to school. Uh, I am the one who provide their needs, and the education and the needs of my kids got higher and higher. So
all
that's why I want to go back abroad.
Okay. And then, do you have any work experience abroad? As you mentioned earlier, you already work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong.
Yes, mom.
All right. So, when did you start working in Hong Kong?
I started working in Hong Kong way back 2019, May 2019. And then I just went back to Philippines last 2023.
All right. So, is it 2 years, two contracts?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Different employer or same employer?
Different employer.
All right. So, did you finish the contracts?
Yes, but I finished contract
Okay. All right.
all of them.
Okay, so can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in your first employer?
My response, yeah, 9 years old, doing household chores, marketing sometimes, and do car washing. That's all. And my second employer is taking care of the kids, two kids also, aged 5 years old and 7 years old, doing household chores, and then marketing. Sometimes I send the kids to the school.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
So as you mentioned earlier, you already work as a teacher aide here in Philippines. So when did you start working as a teacher aide?
I started working at teacher aid way back April 2024.
All right. And then can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities being a teacher aide here in Philippines?
My duties and responsibilities as a teacher aid is assisting our kids and assisting the teacher.
All right, thank you. And then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then, how would you take care of naughty children or children with temper tantrums?
Okay, that's the good question. Uh, I think allow them for being naughty because they are a kids. All you have to do is uh, watch them. Watch them not to get hurt by being very naughty, and teach them how to be being a good kid, not being by not being by being a naughty, you will hurt the other kids or you will hurt others.
All right, that's good. Thank you. And then how about if the newborn baby crying at night?
Uh, if the baby is crying at night, preferably for the toddler, all you have to do is carry them, uh, or maybe they are crying because they are hungry, or maybe they are not feeling well. All you have to do is check their temperature, or if not, if they're feeling okay, I think they need some comfort from you, or you can carry them and sing a lullaby
All
so they
right.
can go back to sleep.
All right, that's good. Thank you. And then what will you do if you become homesick?
Uh, if I get homesick, uh, I think that's normal for the OFW to feel homesick because they've missed their family. I think for me, all I have to do is call my family and talk to them, or maybe I will do some things that can divert my missingness from them, and just do my job and pray to the Lord that He will guide for whatever I am doing. And yeah,
Okay, that's good. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
no, mom.
Okay. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I think my cooking skills is, for me, it's good because I can cook Chinese food, like that, Filipino food. I can learn from my employer, I think, or how to cook their dishes.
All right, that's good. And then do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So do you drink alcohol? How about
Okay,
smoking?
Simayu.
Okay.
No,
Okay. And then do you have any body tattoo?
no.
Okay. So for the last question, Ma'am Melchin, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, good day, ma'am or sir. Uh, my name is Mershin. I am applying for the job you are looking for. Um, I just wish you will give me a chance and guarantee you that I will do my best, and I will treat you as my family also. And then
Thank you.
I hope to see you soon.